As a channel member, you can give the gift of memberships to other viewers during a live stream or premiere. To be eligible to receive a gift, you have to opt in. In this video, we'll cover how to do both. First, what is membership gifting? During a live stream or premiere, channel members can buy gift memberships or gifts, which are non-recurring 1-month memberships of that channel. YouTube will then give these gifts to other viewers of that channel. Viewers who opt into membership gifting will be eligible to receive one of your gifts and get 1 month of access to channel membership perks like loyalty badges, custom emojis, and more. This is a way for you, an existing member, to publicly support your favorite creators and grow their membership base. You may even get a shout out from the creator or community in the live chat for your support. Here are the steps to gift a membership. Join the channel's live stream or premiere that you're currently a paying monthly member of. Note, membership gifting is only available on desktop live streams. We're working on bringing this to mobile soon. While in the live chat, click the currency symbol. Then select membership gifting. From there, select how many gifts you want to buy. Finally, complete your transaction. Once you bought your gift, there will be an announcement in the live chat with your name and how many gifts you bought. You'll also see a countdown ticker that highlights your purchase in the live chat for others to see. Any viewer that receives your gift will get a notification in the live chat that you sent them a 1-month membership gift to the channel. We'll also notify them via email in case they missed the announcement. If you're not a member of a channel and would like to receive a gifted membership, follow these steps. There are currently 2 ways to opt in to receive gift memberships on your favorite channels: from the live chat or from your membership offer screen. To opt in from the live chat, you can click the gift icon that's pinned at the top of the chat when someone makes a purchase. Or when a gift memberships announcement shows in the live chat, you can click Allow Gifts. To opt in from your membership offer screen, you can click Join, then the 3-dot menu, then Gift Settings to allow gifts. This is currently desktop only, and we're bringing this to mobile soon. YouTube distributes gift memberships based on how much viewers interact with the channel. If you're a dedicated viewer who is always watching and interacting with the channel's content, you are more likely to be gifted a membership. If selected, you will be notified with a live chat message and email. You don't have to pay anything to receive benefits. Gift memberships are non-refundable and cannot be exchanged for cash value. All gift memberships give up to 1 month of access to channel membership perks and expire thereafter. You can switch from a gift membership to a paid membership at any time during the month, and you won't be charged until the next month. For more information about membership gifting, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.